My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Shibano. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Shibano, so keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you're new in my channel, so please, I request all of you, those people who listen my voice, please click the subscribe button now and like this video. I know you all of my friends, and you all subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Once again, thank you so much. Anyways, my friends, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. The current price of the Shibano in the market, as that is the latest price, 0.0001 USD dollar is the current price of the Shibano. Very soon the price will become 0.001 USD dollar, friends. Very soon. And on the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Shibano, so now in the last 1 hour is again fast down occur in the Shibano, but I hope that this fast will continue for a short time and they again take a jump in the future. And the last 1 day pricing is going positive, and last 1 week pricing is again going negative, friends. Only and only the last 1 day pricing is positive, except of the last 1 day the whole change is occur in the Shibano token is going negative, friends. So what's the reason behind that? Let me show you on the chart. Oh my god, absolutely a very big fast occur in the Shibano token from the yesterday, as you can see here. Now I think this time they gradually start moving upward, but at this time a very big fast and quick fast occur in the Shibano at this time, friends. And I think a lot of holders also decide to sell Shibano when they see these kind of funds. So please remember, my friends, don't decide to sell Shibano before 2021, friends. Try to understand, friends. This is how you can get a profit from the Shibano, friends. If you decide to sell Shibano at this time, so absolutely you will get a low amount of profit. And if you decide to sell Shibano in the last of 2021, so absolutely the price will become in 2021 as 0.1 USD dollar. My prediction about Shibano token as 1 USD dollar in the end of 2021, friends. So just imagine when the price of the Shibano is to 1 USD dollar, friends. So how much profit you get from by Shibano token if you holding 2.5 billion Shibano token. I'm holding 2.5 billion Shibano token, friends. So just imagine my profit when the Shibano reached $1, friends. Unbelievable profit. And the profit, the price changes occur in the Shibano in the last 1 day in the 24 hours is positive 4.96%, and the highest price is 0.000012 USD dollar is the highest price of the Shibano, friends. So now the fast down, the fast occur in the Shibano quick fast, but now I think the current situation is going positive, and I hope that they will take a jump in the future. What do you think? And I'm feeling today about Shibano as positive. What do you think? How do you feel today about Shibano? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.